All right. And we are on week 7, aren't we?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
All right. Perfect. So we can have Shagun and Laura do the demo.
All right. So the way that we did it this week is that Shah and Tooba did the modal and Shagun and I did the toasts. And then we kind of split up to do the CSS part. So I can do the demo of the toasts if Shagun wants to just demo the page that she did. But the stuff that Shah and Tuba did, I'm not sure who's going to demo that.
Okay. No worries. We can go ahead with you and Shagun for now.
All right. Okay. Fine. So then let me share my screen. Oh, I don't have the site open. Okay, that's fine. All right. So first of all, it's the code here. This turned out to be a super simple change. Because of this work that we had done previously, not here. Is this the right one? This is not the right one, sorry. It's the wrong file. Sorry, I can't see anything because of the, there, okay. Add item, that's the one. Oh, goodness. 1 second.
After looking at your interface, I'm tempted to move the file explorer to the right side as well.
Oh, I love it on the right side.
I can now that I see it, I've seen it a couple of times, I can think why you would like that. Maybe I would want to do that as well.
Okay, so try this again. All right, so because we did, I'm not sharing, am I?
Not yet.
Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. So because we did this work here previously, where we set the messages, the validation messages, really all we had to do is that down here, this used to be set submission status, and we just installed React Hot Toast and we changed it to toast.success and toast.error. And that's really all we had to do because all the data was already there. So it was incredibly simple to implement. There's really not anything to it except that.
Okay.
And then I open up the site here.
And are there any instances of set timeout still being used in the application?
No, set timeout is gone.
It's gone. That's nice.
Sorry, normally I have this set up better. Didn't prepare as well today. Oh dear. Sorry, it looks like I don't have React Hot Toast installed. Start.
Any particular reason you decided to go with React Hot Toast?
Only because it's very popular and very easy to use.
Okay. Yeah, I looked at the library yesterday, and the format in which it displays toasts is kind of different from what other popular libraries do. So I think it was a creative decision.
Also,
Yeah,
it's very simple to implement.
Yeah, exactly. It's so easy to use. As I said, all we did is we took our previous function and we replaced it with toast, and that was it. It was done.
Also, we can use React Hot Toast with promises. Like, let's say you are making a request to some server and now you are waiting. You can also display the loading status or status based on some values. and then you
I
can change
see.
the status once it's done. It's all very easy.
So as you can see here, if we try to enter an empty item, you get that. If you enter something with a name but no date, you get a message for that. If you enter something successfully, you get a success message. And if you enter something that has already been added, then you get that. And that's it.
I see. Wow, that's nice. Good job. This looks like a long-awaited addition to the application.
Yes.
Now it looks much better. I can't imagine how much better it would look along with the changes that Shah and Tuba have done.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am not sure. Let me quickly look at the PR. And if Shah and Tuba don't join us right now, maybe we can try checking out the branch and testing it ourselves. I mean,
Yeah,
just
that's true. We could just use the web versions.
yes, we can do that. Should we do that?
Probably the
Yeah,
best
sure.
idea, because otherwise we won't get to look at it.
Yeah. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Maybe one of us can download the code and use the GitHub extension in the VS Code and go through each of the PR by checking it out from the GUI.
Yeah, we could have, but
Act
yeah, sorry. Go ahead, Kriti.
no, go ahead.
No, I'm saying if we can use the web deployment, that might as well just use it.
Yeah, I
So
actually just checked the web deployment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if it's not working on like if it's due to some Chrome extension I have, but like should I share my
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I don't know. I just looked at the user interface and I'm kind of impressed.
Yeah, me too. I am pressed to I just noticed a few things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, it's like really great UI. I'm really impressed. But when we add items, and for example, I add something, it's coming in white text, which is kind of not visible.
well, you have to be careful because each PR handled a different page. I
Yeah.
don't think that's the PR for that
Oh,
page.
Yes, and it's also
oh,
branched out of that branch, I believe. Yeah, it is. It is. It is branched out of that
oh,
branch. So branches out of
oh,
branches,
then
branches.
too many branches.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad.
Let me see if I am able to find the right one. Ah,
I think Shagun did the add item page, so she can probably demo that one.
hmm. Okay, let me see. Add I add styling for list page. Hmm. Wait, something is written here. Asat's Laki. Okay, no, not here. Add global. There's one for global styling.
Yeah, then everything should be built off of like the three pages should be built off of that one.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then finally SA home styling.
Yeah, so that's Shaw's. He did the home page, and Tuba did the list page, and Shagun did the add item page.
Okay, so looks like Kriti's concern is real because I'm looking at each PR, and in none of the PRs I see um, the text visible. So maybe that's
Which
something.
is strange because I set the text color
Mhm.
in the global styling.
Oh, right. Let me have a look at it again. All right. No, text color versus input box text color. Maybe that's something that hasn't been applied yet. Maybe you need to
Maybe.
just Yeah, just I
Yeah.
saw some.
I'll have to take a look at it
Mhm.
because I went through and checked all of that. Like a lot of the colors are not showing up the way that I made them when I developed it. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Have to take a look.
Okay, no problem. Because um because apparently this is the last issue that already existed here, and the other two issues have been created by you. So that's okay. You can continue working on this. And this
Mhm.
week we want to try something new. We want you, the four of you, to take the responsibility to merge the PRs after we approve them. So
All right.
yeah, feel free to request a review once everything is done. I really wish
Sure.
we could see Shah and Tuba today. But no
Yeah.
problem. If you want, we can do a separate call for that today or tomorrow, whenever. Like
Mm.
I'll make myself available accordingly.
All right.
Okay. And regarding the other issues, I don't think we want to assign them to anyone right now.
I don't think we have issues, do we? Like we created a couple of issues that we made PRs for, but I
Yeah,
don't think there's any new issues to add.
yeah, the thing is, currently it's unclear who is working on which issue because no one is assigned. Um, Maybe
I
we can
see.
do that. All right, let me share my screen then. Yeah, here we are. So you are working on this issue, Laura, along with,
So Shagun and I worked on this one,
okay, Shagun and Laura.
and then the other one, 15, I think.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah, that one is Shah and Tooba.
Shah and Tuba. This iteration of issues might be a little more confusing because the number here does not match the number here, unlike how it has
Yeah,
been so far. But
yeah,
yeah,
that's because all the PRs went in first,
yeah.
but it's fine.
All right. So looks like we are done with everything for right now. And we'll have the learning module later on. Let me make sure there's nothing left. No, looks like we're good. Raj, would you like to say something?
Nothing particular regarding the code reviews. We have like styling for most of the part, and I added a couple of comments here and there that I thought we can improve upon that on the GitHub itself. And yeah, rest of the things were styling, and uh, yeah, can't say
Mhm.
anything about it.
Okay. In that case, let me stop recording and